Okay, I'm going to do a little video on how I cut out a gnome pattern and save this part so that you've got a thing to trace when you want to do multiples of anything. So first we just transfer the pattern onto our block of wood. And then this is the side. And then it's going to get a little noisy. I start by cutting out the front part of the pattern first. And here I don't go all the way through. I back it out. And I can get that little piece out. Same thing on that side. And then that stays together as a block so that you can do this side. And I want to save this pattern, so I'll make a nice thin slice all the way through. And I got the front pattern. And then this pattern that you want to save, stick her sideways. And there you go. You got a pattern to do more, and you've got your cutout. That's the way I like to do it. Thanks for watching.